We have about 70 km to go in 52 minutes time. .5 km to go, 15 minutes left of travel time. We have arrived at the town of Calgary, now looking for our apartment. So after like 2 hours plus of driving, we finally arrived at the town of Calgary, and we are waiting for our host to fetch us to our apartment. Finally, we arrived at our apartment in Calgary. Let's take a look inside. Okay, so this is the living room. The balcony. Filled with snow. Dining table, kitchen. Okay. This is the bedroom. The closet. This is the view from the bedroom. Okay, that's the balcony. This is the bathroom. And what's this? Okay, so we have the washers here. Oh, one is washer and one is the dryer. Okay, cool. Okay, we get settled down first, and then we'll see what our activity will be here in Calgary. Now we are at Safeway. We are going to shop for groceries. Anyway, in Calgary we are not going to do any activity. I will be just chilling in this city. So that's all about it. So we'll be spending 2 nights here before flying back to Toronto. Groceries done. Now we are going to buy dinner. So flip and burgers again. Alright.
And that big thing. That's it. And that, yeah. Lettuce. And mustard.
We are done with our groceries, and bought our dinner at Flip and Burgers and pepperoni pizza from Canadian Pizza. And because it's -5 right now in Calgary, so it's time to go back. This is our dinner for tonight. We bought earlier at Flip and Burgers. This is having the mushroom Swiss. I'm having the all beef hot dog along with poutine and onion rings. So tonight we are not going anywhere. We're just chilling here at the apartment. So wish you guys good night in advance.